driving, do a little bumming around. I wanna throw my bills out.
Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we are going to be talking about another use for my new GoPro. Let me show you. It's my GoPro Hero 7. It's called the Black 7, and I've got it in a little case now, and it has a little screw to go into a mount. I've got a mount that's going to glue onto the dash of my van. It is going to be also use it as a traffic camera. Driving a commercial van and all the crazy people out there today, I need some extra protection. And the neat thing about this GoPro that I thought was really cool is how you could open up the side door. The side door, you could pull it out and you can see the connectors. So I could easily plug a cord in to recharge the battery while I'm driving. Plus it has a quick start mode. It's got like a little rabbit icon, so it's powered off. It's not killing any battery right now. I simply hit the top button right here once, turns on, it automatically starts recording. So that's pretty cool. I can just get in my van, click it, it starts recording, and I drive. When I get to my destination, click it again, it turns itself off. Very simple, very easy, and I could unhook it whenever I need to use it, and if it gets low, I simply just plug a cord in like a phone charger and it charges it, and I don't have to pull out the battery and stick them in my chargers. So let's go ahead and clean off my dash. That way I can get this thing mounted. So there's another excuse to clean my van. As you can see, I've got a lot of receipts, books, staples, mask, and safety glasses. We're going to get this all cleaned off and cleaned. Little foaming glass spray. I love this stuff. We have this mount that's going to mount somewhere like here, and I can pivot it to the right angle. And it's got sticky stuff already on it. Now this mount came with my other action camera I bought. If you saw the review on that, wasn't really super excited and happy about that one. It was not as easy to use as the GoPro. So, but all the mounts interchange, so that's the cool thing about it. Okay, let's see here. I think we can put it like right about here. I think that'd be a good place. Let's see what it looks like from the driver's seat. Okay, yeah, that makes it very accessible. This will just pop into here, kind of like that. And I just put the screw in the side. Oh yeah, nice and snug now. So remember how I was telling you guys about the quick start mode? You just press the button on once, it beeps. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is what I'm gonna see driving down the road. You can see that beautiful camper in front of me. That's the next video I got to start working on, and I better hurry up and get the roof waterproofed before it gets too cold, because it's already starting to get down into the 40s. But this is going to be a really nice setup, and then I just press the button one time, just like that, it turns itself off. That's going to be handy. I can just screw it on, hit the button, it records when I'm driving down the road. If the battery gets low, I just plug in that little cord while I'm driving and it charges it while I'm driving. So that's going to be very handy and good safety reminder for anybody who's driving a vehicle, whether it's commercial or not. By having a camera in your car, it keeps anybody from trying to stop in front of you to collect on insurance. People are getting very crazy today, and more they are trying to use different ways to take advantage of us. So safety is our goal. So a GoPro, it's multiple uses and makes it a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know. I may do a full review on this later on, but I appreciate all you guys being there, encouraging me and everything. These videos are a lot of fun to do, but hopefully this helps you to use your GoPro in other ways. So, and then if you get on like Amazon, they have these big kits you could buy for almost nothing. They've got a million different accessories for them. They also work for your GoPro stuff. So I'm using a lot of my attachments from that action camera that I bought a while back for like, I can't remember what, $55 or something like that on Amazon, and it came with a ton of stuff. So I'm able to use a lot of stuff from that on my GoPro. So that's been very handy. But until we see you guys again, you guys have fun and stay out of trouble. All right, now it's time to go to work. As you can tell, I got long sleeves on and I'm wearing pants. That don't happen very often. You must know that it's cool outside, but it feels great. I love this type of weather.